on a machine. So yes, he's brain dead, all organs have shut down, but there is still a small pulse. And according to them, professionally, it would be unethical to declare him dead on their end when there is still that pulse. So they are saying they can't give us any hope. They don't know what the day will be like by close of day, but they're also saying they're not good. So professionally, they're saying because of that small pulse, even though he's brain dead, organs have shut down, that very small pulse, aided by the vent and so on, does not allow them as professional medics to declare him dead. And so they have said that's why they are not communicating as such. Of course, the mother was thrown off balance, and that's why she did reach out to us to give us that very disturbing news. So the current status quo, as per the doctors, is that yes, he's brain dead, organs have shut down, but there's still a very small pulse. We asked them, are you giving us hope? They said, we don't want to give you hope, but they said they're not God. God, that's what the doctors have told us. We requested them to be with us, to be able to communicate this, but they said they will be with us because the executive director is here, Dr.
Sister Dr. Grace.
Sister Dr. Grace, who is the acting executive director, but she's the medical director. So she told us she might not speak, but she will be with us because she, together with other doctors, that's the brief that they have given to us. Our call to the people of Uganda, and especially the people of Kawempe North, which he represents, is let's keep praying for him. The doctors are saying he's in a very critical condition, brain dead, organs shut down, but there is that small pulse, aided with the vent and so on. And so professionally on that end, they're saying they cannot at this point declare him dead. So let's keep praying for Honorable Muhammad Ssegirinya, even though yes, medically they're saying hope is it's a fairly grim picture, but there is God in heaven. That's the update we can give for now. Honorable Muhammad Ssegirinya, embeera ye ennaku eziyise yagenda eyongera okwonooneka n'aleetebwa mu ddwaliro. Yali yatereera n'addayo ewaka ng'awona mpola mpola, naye embeera ezze egenda esajjuka. Yaleetebwa wano mu ddwaliro, era abasawo ne batugamba amu n'abazadde ne famire nti tumeke sure nti abantu tebajja kumulaba kubanga embeera gye yali alimu nga kimwanguyira okukwata infections, okufuna infections. So kyovuddoola abantu bangi abadde baagala okujja okumulaba, naye nga ne famire tekkiriza kubanga twakikaanyako baddokita nga ne batuwabudde tusooke tumuleke ayinza okufuna infections ez'enjawulo. Olunaku olwaleero twafunye essimu okuva ewa maama wa Ssegirinya ng'atubikira omubaka Ssegirinya n'atugamba nti munnaffe afudde. Era amawulire gayitingana, ne tujja wano mu ddwaliro, tuzze ne tusinkana abasawo ne tugendako mu ICU okulaba munnaffe. Kyetulabye era abasawo kye batunnyonnyodde, abasawo batugambye nti Honorable Ssegirinya mu luzungu ali kye bayita brain dead, nti obwongo obufudde. Organs zonna zishatinze down, zisirise, naye omutima gukyakubamuko akatono. Yes, ali ku machines ezimuyambako n'ebirala. So batugambye nti organs zonna zishatinze down, naye omutima gukyakubamu akatono, ezi machines ezimuyambako. So kati abasawo bo batugambye nti bo nga bo tebayinza kudeclaringa oba okwanjula nti Honorable Ssegirinya afudde lw'amateeka agabafuga ng'abasawo. Baba bagamba kasita mubanga mukyalimu ka heartbeat ako kakabe katono katya, machines baba bazirekako era nga tebasobola kudeclaringa nti Honorable Ssegirinya afudde. So weewaawo maama bwe baali munnyonnyodde byonna ye ng'alabira ddala mwana we afudde kwe kutukubira n'atuyitawo. Twabadde tubasabye batunnyonnyolemuko ne bagamba nti bajja kubeerawo wano, era tulina Sister Dr. Grace nga yaliwo ng'akulira eddwaliro, ye medical director era yakiikiridde executive director w'eddwaliro. Batunnyonnyodde yes, Honorable Ssegirinya embeera gy'alimu mbi nnyo, obwongo busirise, organs zisirise, naye mukyalimu ka heartbeat ako. So bo nga bo tebagenda kwanjula eri eggwanga nti Honorable Ssegirinya afudde. Lw'amateeka agabakwata ka heartbeat ako ke kakyalimu. Kyetusaba Let's listen to Sister Dr. Grace. She's the medical director of the hospital, but she's also acting executive director as of now. So let her give us a quick update. We've convinced her to just share something.
What I can say is to offer with Honorable Ssegirinya and the other officials who have been able to visit the patient who is critically ill. He is critically sick. What I can say, he needs our love, he needs our prayers, though we cannot declare him dead, but he's critically sick. Thank you so much. Muganda waffe mulwadde nnyo era yetaaga okwagala kwaffe, yetaaga essaala zaffe. Tumwongere essaala, ffe abasabo tujja kuba tubatuusaako buli ekigenda mu maaso, kubanga era tugezaako okukola buli ekisoboka. Mwebale nnyo, mwebale.
Sister Dr. Grace.
My name is Sister Dr. Grace Senyondo. I'm the medical director, currently acting as the executive director.